How to leave a review on VR games, Quest 2, Quest 3S, and whatever meta VR you have. So first you're gonna have to go inside the meta store. You could do this inside your VR of course, but as long as you're there, then the process should go pretty much the same. Then at this point, just go ahead to whatever game you want to put a review on. So in our case, we're just gonna go ahead and choose one. Let's say Gorilla Tag over here. Then in order to put a review, you're gonna have to own the game itself, of course. Then just go ahead and scroll down to the review section over here, and you should be able to put in a review. So if you want more information about that, so all reviews are from verified owners of this app, press on learn more and you'll see that only verified owners of whatever game you're going for will be able to review, but the process should be as similar as this. Just go ahead to the ratings and reviews section and put in a review since you will get the option to do so. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.